Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Most of us have small kitchen which is very difficult to keep organized all the time. In today's video I will be showing you some organizational ideas which are very useful for small or big kitchen or even the non-modular kitchen. This door organizer is best if you don't have space to keep things on your kitchen countertop. Hang this over your cabinet door or even the kitchen door. You can easily keep many things on this door organizer and it will remain hidden in the cabinet and will not give clutter look to your kitchen. Next organizer is also a door organizer and you can put it inside and outside the cabinet door or even on the bathrooms and bedrooms to organize your clothes, bags, ties, etc. I am using it in my kitchen under the cabinet door for hanging strainers, peelers, etc. Undershelf organizers are very common these days. They provide extra storage to your cabinets which mostly get waste by not utilizing them properly. You can use this outside the cabinet also for keeping spice bottles and towels etc. Or you can place it inside the cabinet like this and arrange your teacups, coffee cups along with the kitchen towel roll. A beautiful hanging basket. I am using this from last 3 years and I bought it in a set of 3. As per me, you must have this organizer if your kitchen is very small. Its size is big enough to accommodate 3 to 4 chopping boards and trays. You can store many things in this hanging organizer like containers, chopping boards, trays, turntables, towels, etc. I have 3 of this, so I am using for keeping trays, chopping boards and foil boxes. In many of my previous videos, viewers always ask for this wooden rack. This is the best rack I have ever used, very sturdy, and I bought this specially to keep all my oil dispensers because I have glass oil dispensers, so I always wanted to have a solid sturdy rack in which I can keep my oil dispensers safely, and this one is the best choice. You may order many kitchen and household organizers and products from Meralink online shopping website. Meralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household product. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Meralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery along with easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link is given in the video's description. This metal rack is also a very good option if you want to keep your kitchen countertop organized in less space. The rack is narrow, occupies less space, and you can keep 6 to 7 medium-sized containers on this. I use it for tea, coffee, sugar, salt, etc. and it is very good quality and sturdy rack. You can buy this product without even thinking once. As I mentioned about Meralink website before, don't forget to download the app for easy returns and refund. You can check out the website and avail many exciting discounts and offers daily. From Meralink by Bulbul Shop, you will get variety of products at very reasonable rate, so do check the website. I have this vertical wall organizer for keeping all small and miscellaneous items like scissors, whiskers, oil brushes, measuring cups, etc. And like this, all these small tools remain organized at one place and you can find them easily whenever you need them. So best buy for small kitchen. Just like the previous one I have shown you, this is similar to that, but it comes with an adhesive sticker which can be placed anywhere in your kitchen. I used my counter's corner space which I utilized by this organizer, and I can place my dosa pans and other pans very easily. If you are worried about how it will take the weight of heavy pans, then don't worry, I am using this from last many months and hanging all heavy and big pans, and it's working perfectly. So go for it without any worry. You must be familiar with this organizer. If you use many kitchen towel like me while working in kitchen, then this towel organizer is best for you. You can place 4 hand towels very easily. Even you can hang your apron or roti cloth, or even you can hang tea cups and coffee cups. No need of drilling for this organizer, as it comes with 2 strong adhesive holders, and this also I am using from last 2 years and they are working very well till now. I don't have much space on my kitchen countertop, so I am using this rolling board holder which is wall mounted, and you can use vertical space of your kitchen and save lot of counter space for other work. Mine is wooden rolling board, but if you have marble one, that also can be easily placed on this organizer. Last one is also a vertical space saving organizer, comes with adhesive holder, and this is 2-tier metal organizer which can be placed on wall as well as can be placed on kitchen counter as per your convenience. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and these ideas will help you organizing your kitchen and home. Consider subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video.